day 4 on the build of this brand new Alley Cat Dual. It's been a lot of work, spending a lot of time on this. When you make all the parts pretty much yourself, it takes a long time. I'm not buying a lot of anything that you can make. Just got through making new control rods here, make all the pedals, make the tie rods, make the front bumper. Just got the throttle in. Haven't put the cotter pin in the end yet because it's got to come back out, but my throttle's probably a little different than some people do. You'll notice this bushing right here. It's just an 1/8 inch compression fitting with the nut end cut off and then drilled to hold that rod. So that looks like something that's really simple, but the reason I don't just use a 1/4 inch hole in this tab is, one is the tab eventually wears out. You can replace the bushing. But when you want to hook this spring up, this spring has really got a lot of pressure on it. And you can set the travel here by adjusting the nut. But when you take this bushing out of here, you can take this rod, it's got all kinds of room in that hole, and you can angle this rod out to the side so you can just slide the spring on, slide your washer on for your throttle cable to go through, turn the nut on, and you can just pull this on through right back into place and then tighten this up, and you're not fighting with, oh, I got to get that spring compressed, I got to get that nut on there. It's just super easy. So just one of the simple little things. So this kart's a progression of a lot of things that you know, we've learned building these. Now, one of the things that these tabs right here, since we're running microns, which we'll run the micron right there, but we'll put the eye down here. So we've got a tab on each side to put the eye down there. Got the camera mount on it. No matter how many parts you think you have on hand, you never have enough. I don't have enough tie rod ends to put the traction bars on, but they should be here tomorrow. Still got to do pretty much all the brake stuff. But it's coming. You know, still got these karts over here. The purple one's going to upholstery yet this week, I think. So when you build 6 of these in a winter time, it takes a long time. But I guess, you know, I'll get all 6 of them done in 3.5, 4 months, even though I'm waiting for, you know, powder coat to get done, upholstery to get done, all this other stuff. I'll still get these done. And then I guess guys that buy rusty old worn out karts take 2 years to get one redone, so I should not feel bad about spending a few months doing this. Of course, I'm doing motorcycles at the same time, and my son-in-law has been in here and he's making a barbecue smoker grill, so that's made a mess in the shop. Grinding stuff all over, welding smoke. I guess it's a smoker, so welding smoke fits. So just continue on every day, trying to make things better. So here's a real common problem when you're doing brakes on these karts. You're supposed to use the cone, single-sided cone on the brake lines, not the double-sided one that comes with compression fittings. You're supposed to use this flat one, flat cone. The problem is 95% of the time when you get your new brake, they got the wrong nuts supplied with that kit. These are rounded on the inside and they're supposed to be flat. So what I do, I got this 5/16 drill bit and you grind it off flat and it goes right down inside that nut, and you can make that flat on the inside. These are all wrong. I get so disgusted with these people. And you know, in reality, it's a safety issue. But that's what I do to make that flat inside there. And it works perfect. Just another little builder tip.